For centuries, we have believed that our genes dictate our destiny. We inherit them at birth and they shape who we are. This deterministic view left little room for change or free will. But what if I told you that our understanding of genes was incomplete? What if I told you that you have the power to influence your genes? This is where the exciting field of epigenetics comes into play. Epigenetics is revolutionizing our understanding of how genes work. Unlike traditional genetics, which focuses on the DNA sequence itself, epigenetics explores the factors that influence gene expression. Imagine your DNA as a complex musical score. The notes represent your genes. Epigenetics is like the conductor, influencing which notes are played, how loud, and when. It's the study of how our genes are expressed, not just what genes we have. Imagine identical twins sharing the same DNA blueprint. Despite their identical genes, they can have different health outcomes and even age differently. One twin might develop a chronic illness, while the other remains healthy. This phenomenon highlights the limitations of traditional genetics. It's not just our genes that determine our health and well-being. Epigenetics provides the missing piece of the puzzle. Epigenetic changes don't alter the DNA sequence itself. Instead, they involve chemical modifications that act like switches, turning genes on or off. These modifications can occur throughout our lives, influenced by various factors. Our environment, lifestyle choices, and even our thoughts and emotions can impact these epigenetic switches, shaping which genes are expressed and how. This understanding empowers us to take control of our health and well-being. What we eat, how we move, and the toxins we're exposed to can all impact our genetic expression. A healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can positively influence gene expression, promoting health and longevity. Regular exercise can also have beneficial effects, activating genes associated with metabolism, cardiovascular health, and even brain function. On the other hand, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and exposure to environmental toxins can negatively impact gene expression, increasing the risk of various diseases. Our bodies are constantly responding to our environment and lifestyle choices at the genetic level. Every decision we make, from the food we eat to the air we breathe, can influence how our genes are expressed. Our thoughts and emotions are not just abstract experiences. They have a tangible impact on our biology, including our genes. Chronic stress, for example, can lead to the release of hormones like cortisol, which can negatively impact gene expression, increasing the risk of health problems. Conversely, positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love can have beneficial effects on our genes. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can lead to changes in gene expression related to improved immune function and reduced inflammation. The mind-body connection is not just a philosophical concept, it's a scientific reality. Our thoughts and emotions can influence the very building blocks of our being. Visualization, reprogramming your biology with your mind's eye. Visualization, a powerful technique used by athletes and performers for years, is now being recognized for its potential to influence gene expression. When we vividly imagine ourselves achieving a goal or engaging in a positive activity, our brains and bodies respond as if the experience were real. This mental rehearsal can lead to changes in brain activity, neurochemical release, and even gene expression. By harnessing the power of visualization, we can create a blueprint for health and well-being at the genetic level. Imagine yourself healthy, vibrant, and thriving. Visualize your cells functioning optimally, your DNA expressing health, and your body radiating vitality. This practice can prime your body for positive change. Mindfulness, cultivating awareness for genetic well-being. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, is not just a trendy meditation technique, it's a powerful tool for influencing gene expression. Studies have shown that mindfulness-based interventions can lead to positive changes in gene expression related to stress reduction, immune function, and inflammation. When we cultivate mindfulness, we become more aware of our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. This awareness allows us to make conscious choices that support our genetic well-being. By cultivating mindfulness, we can interrupt automatic negative thought patterns and emotional reactivity that can negatively impact our genes. Reframing thoughts, shifting perspectives, transforming health. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. They can shape our reality, influence our emotions, and even impact our genes. When we harbor negative thoughts or dwell on limiting beliefs, we create a physiological stress response that can negatively impact gene expression. However, when we reframe our thoughts to be more positive, empowering, and aligned with our desired outcomes, we create a physiological state conducive to health and well-being. Challenge negative thought patterns. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Choose to focus on thoughts that uplift you, inspire you, and support your overall well-being. The future of well-being, embracing the mind-body connection. Epigenetics is a rapidly evolving field, and its discoveries have profound implications for the future of health and well-being. As we delve deeper into the intricate relationship between our minds, our environment, and our genes, we unlock new possibilities for preventing and even reversing disease. The traditional medical model, which often focuses on treating symptoms after they arise, is giving way to a more holistic approach that emphasizes prevention and recognizes the interconnectedness of our mind, body, and genes. This paradigm shift empowers individuals to take an active role in their health and well-being, recognizing that they are not passive recipients of their genes, but active participants in shaping their genetic destiny. Conclusion: you hold the key to your genetic destiny. The emerging field of epigenetics is shattering the old paradigm of genetic determinism. We are not simply victims of our genes, but active architects of our health and well-being. By understanding the power of our thoughts, emotions, and lifestyle choices, we can influence our genetic expression and create a life filled with vitality, purpose, and well-being. Embrace the power of your mind to transform your health. Cultivate positive emotions. Practice mindfulness, visualize your desired outcomes, and make lifestyle choices that support your genetic well-being. You are not merely a product of your genes. You are a masterpiece in the making, and you hold the brush. Remember, you have the power to shape your genetic destiny. Choose wisely, live vibrantly, and unlock the infinite potential within you.